Vice President Constantino Chiwenga resign, public sentiment, power calculations, and the new constitutional reality. Sarabina mashuko buda chibvunzo pangona chinzi must Chiwenga resign. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Zima aino mdanyira chiti. A provocative social media exchange has reignited debate around Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's political future, with one commenter bluntly suggesting he should resign, then start new ZANU-PF2. The suggestion, casual as it may sound, reflects deeper tremors within Zimbabwe's ruling party and the broader constitutional conversation now dominating political discourse. In response to the resignation suggestion, another user warned that resignation could be political fatal, stating he is right where he is. If he resigns, he gets killed immediately. The comment, while dramatic, captures the intensity and the fear surrounding internal power battles in Zimbabwean politics. So the question is no longer just rhetorical. Should Chiwenga resign? Number one, the political exchange system being rewritten. The wider constitutional debate under President Emmerson Mnangagwa, including proposals to extend presidential terms, shift presidential elections to parliament, expand presidential appointments to Senate, redefine the role of defense forces, remove public interviews for judicial appointments, has altered the political chessboard. Number two, would resignation strengthen or destroy him? There are three possible scenarios: a resignation as a political liberation, a resignation as a political suicide, isolation from command structures that once sustained him. Number three, the psychological dimension. The debate is not merely about law or party structures, it is about survival politics. Zimbabwe's post-liberation political culture is rarely rewarded voluntary exits from high office. The Mugabe removal in 2017 itself demonstrated that leadership transitions are not negotiated through resignation letters, but through power consolidation. In such a system, resignation can be interpreted as weakness rather than principle. Is there a real path to ZANU-PF2? The suggestion of starting a new ruling formation assumes a significant internal support base, access to funding, military or security backing, electoral legitimacy structures. Without those pillars, ZANU-PF2 would likely struggle to survive beyond symbolism. The ruling party remains deeply institutionalized, and fragmentation risks benefiting the incumbent rather than the challenger. Number five, public sentiment, divided and fatigued. The attached comments reflect something important. Some believe he should leave and chart a new path. Others believe leaving would be fatal. Many are fatigued by elite power struggles. Zimbabweans today are more concerned about economic survival than factional realignment. A resignation drama would electrify elites, but would it mobilize ordinary citizens? That is far less certain. Though my suggestion anpone vanhu pamusoro penyanawi irikutaurwa kunzi should VP Constantino Chiwenga resign. Pena comment section medu dzafungura any more kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.